Yeah, I'm ready. Ready, Freddy. So, oh, I guess I'm not really truly ready. Hoi! Get out. Oops. Oh. Off there. Oh, God. Yeah, go ahead. So, yeah, he's saying got to stay on the back side of this lean. And that's what you really want to do when you're on a tree with a big, long crook like this. This tree is very crooked. The whole top was completely over those power lines. And I don't want to swing around to the back side and hit those power lines, because that would suck. All right. We're making nice, calculated, slow, controlled movements so we don't overexert ourselves. I'll go ahead and stand up. Hey, Ricky, can you boom out, or are you all the way out? No. Well, you're gonna, yeah, I guess you're gonna have to. A little bit more. All right, right there is good, actually. We'll work with that. He's got plenty of room to ball up. I realize that. Okay, let's get comfortable in this thing. Which way are you going? With the lean to the right. Got you. My little trick. Tighten up. All right. Woo! Yeah, he's all over that. Now I gotta walk down nice and carefully so I don't swing to the backside. I don't want to swing to the backside. It's such an aggravating thing to get back on the other side. When you're on the backside of a tree, your spurs just don't dig in right, and that you spur out. And boy, is that annoying. It's demoralizing. It's like not good. But it'll teach you a very valuable lesson. Stay on the right side of the tree. He said I'm almost there, which is great news because I'd like to make a cut now. All right. Tell you what, tree feels nice. Tree feels like the spurs are digging in good. At least standing up on the back lean does give you a good angle, makes you feel kind of good. I like it. I'm here for it. Okay. Let's go through nice and smooth now. That was not nice. Oh, and it almost hit the power line. Oh God. Jeez. I don't know if a tap would do anything. Unless, I don't think it would like stick to it or anything, right? I mean, right? All right, let's make this cut. Oh, hello. We would like you to stay on there, you silly goose. All right. Oh, you know what? Good, brakes on. Don't want to cut the line or anything crazy. I gotta save battery.